Yeah. Paper route
God bless
business.
the money counter. God bless the money counter.
Yeah.
For counting my blessings.
Yeah.
Flawless perfection. In the streets, I'm a legend.
Nah, I ain't got time to play. Spend all my time getting paid. All these racks on me, I might go buy another car today. I just smoked a blunt of lemon tree and pulled me up at 8. Fell asleep on your bitch, woke up the next morning about 8. 8 in the morning. She said that I'm with the shit. You do what you want when you rich. Don't really got time for a bitch. 60 for the time on my wrist. Trap nigga down and then sitting at the bar with a bad bitch at Roof Chris. Outside in the valet, got something foreign and ruthless.
This beat is so rich.
I used to take them long trips and ask myself, is this shit worth it? Now I hit the mall, ball for a purpose, thou should never fall. I keep a hater nervous at that couple money counter just to keep my thoughts from hurting. I be serving. I be working.
$500,000 worth of cars in a driveway. I front your big brother 10 pounds last Friday. We working 50 in the F, 50 on the highway. Coming down Everest Presley in that drop top, get it sideways. Hey, I just pulled up in South Memphis. What up? Got about 60 on me and my trigger finger itching. Yup, jump out on the block smoking cookies and diamonds glistening. Big Cubans round my neck and Javinches is what I'm kicking. Hey, I flood the hood with narcotics. $10,000 house, $100,000 worth of weed in the closet. Nah, I ain't from Houston, but I keep that rockin'. Just hit my plug and told him send some more, nigga. I need a robbery.
I used to take them long trips and ask myself, is this shit worth it? Now I hit the mall, ball for a purpose, thou should never fall. I keep a hater nervous at that couple money counter just to keep my thoughts from hurting. I be serving. I be working.